Hi guys, so I briefly want to show you exactly what you need to do in order to make money with this opportunity. If you know how to stuff an envelope, meaning with this flyer, with this vacation insert card, and one or the other money envelope, you can make money with this opportunity. Okay? So the first thing that you need to know is everything that you see here, you will receive a free template to duplicate this envelope, this team flyer, this vacation getaway card, and you will also have templates for the wording on your money envelope. Okay, so all that you have to do is once you become a member, you would go inside of our group and you can download this template for your envelope. You can either print it off on your own or use our outsourced company to get your design printed on your envelope. Okay, if you look right down here, this is a lead, and you will also have access to tons of different leads that you can purchase to send these letters to, because you definitely need a lead that wants to do what you are offering. Okay, you cannot just give this flyer to any person because you'll pretty much be wasting your money. Okay, we know exactly where to go, what people that are looking for an opportunity to work from home and to make more money. So once again, you will download this template to your computer and print this off on your number 10, which is your standard size envelope. And that's all you have to do for this. Your return address will go on the back of the envelope. Now, the only thing that you will have to purchase outside of your envelope is the address labels. That's all that you will have to purchase. And you can purchase address labels, 300 count, for like $7. So it's not a lot of money to do that. This is our team flyer. You can either personalize this flyer, or, and when I say personalize, I mean you can put your photo and your information at the bottom of this flyer. And you will also have a spot on the back with your photo here on the back of your flyer. If you do not want to pay to get a customized flyer, that is absolutely fine. We have a free copy inside of the group that you would download, and all you would have to do from there is right down here, you will put your website, which you will get step-by-step instructions on how to use our share codes that are inside of our group to put your website there for a person that just wants to simply get started. Okay, so the next thing that you will receive as a member of this team, you will receive this card, template of this card of how to give all of your potential members a vacation getaway. Once a month, we will change the vacation getaway, or if you simply want to keep it at the 5-night Cancun vacation getaway, you can definitely do that. It's definitely not a problem. That's all you have to do is just print these off. This is on cardstock, but you can very well use this on regular paper. Cut them out and insert one into every single envelope. The next thing, you can purchase these little envelopes here from the dollar store, and it's 80 in a box for $1. And the purpose of this is to distinguish what ad or letter, or if you're sending out the company sales letter, or if you're sending out our team flyer, or maybe you decide to come up with the flyer on your own, you would put this inside of the envelope so a person can place their money in this envelope and include it with box number 2, which box number 2 would be your information, so that you know where your money is coming from, okay? If you want to go a little bit further, like a lot of us do, we use the money envelope. And the money envelope, it serves the same exact purpose. It's just a little bit more pricey than the Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Walmart, wherever you're purchasing the small envelope or the money envelope. So let's talk about how to assemble your letter that you will send out to your potential members. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is open your envelope and your team flyer. You want to put that team flyer in your envelope just like so, because you want the heading of your of your flyer to show as soon as a person opens this envelope. And as we all know, whenever you get a piece of mail, you always tear the top off and you turn it over and open it up to see what's in it. Okay? So when they open it, this is the first thing they will see: start receiving gigantic cash commissions straight to your doorstep. That's the first thing that they will see. The next thing you want to do, if you want to use the envelope from the dollar store, you just put it right behind your flyer. Okay, you put it right behind the flyer. Once you do that, you take your vacation getaway card and you want to insert it in the middle of your flyer and your envelope, just like so. And the reason for that is when a person opens your letter and they see what's in it, your card for their vacation getaway is right there in the middle. Previous experience, if you put your vacation getaway card here in the envelope on top of your flyer, what happens is a person will pull out the flyer and the envelope and the vacation getaway is still in there. So you want to make sure that person gets a chance to see every single thing that you have included for them in your offer envelope. Okay? But that's pretty much it. That's all that you have to do to get started with this opportunity as soon as possible. If you're interested and you want to get started with this opportunity, all you have to do is follow the instructions on the how to get started video. If you received one of these envelopes inside of your mailer that you opened from home, please make sure you follow the instructions that's on this envelope. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we look forward to having you as a member of our team.